Okay.
Walk, walk, walk. Hey there, Cody.
I'm Cody. I would say hi, but I'm too busy worrying about myself.
Flip hair, flip hair, flip hair, flip hair. Oh, Cody. What's going on?
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby. Oh, 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 oh.
I didn't know Laura made
Lindsay! What's taking so long? He couldn't find my mouse.
Yes, I could. It's right there.
I ate Cody.
Gosh, Lindsay, I don't know why you hate me so much.
Yeah, Lindsay. Oh, Cody. Oh. I love your sweater. Oh my gosh. Look how bendy my arms are. It's amazing. Wait.
My arms are way bendier because I'm better than everyone at everything.
My arms thrust. Flip, flip, flip.
My arms can thrust too. Oh,
Cody, can you fix my skirt for me?
sure I can. Crap.
Wait, Lindsay's coming. Let's have... Yeah.
Let's have Korea.
Korea. Oh, look
Close
at...
up, close up.
Oh, wait. I'm trying to bend my arm back to normal.
You karate chopped my neck.
Ah!
But I'm good at Taekwondo. Hiya.
Don't rip your pants, Cody.
Too late.
Shoulder pants ripping. Look at it. Look at it. My pants don't rip. Look at that. Oh.
I'm not wearing pants.
Oh. Oh.
I bet your pants would rip if you were wearing any.
I seem to have dropped my tampon. It's okay. I'll get it.
Oh my gosh.
Where'd Cody go?
Tampons, I know what those are because I know about girls.
Oh, you know
I'm
everything.
Cody.
You know everything about girls, Cody. Look at your eyes, they're so beautiful.
Yeah, I know
Oh
where
my
your
God.
mouth is.
Charlie, Cody. Alright, well, I have to go now, Cody. Oh, I will miss you. But I love you're so far away.
I'm in your heart.
That's not far away. Oh, so true. Oh, my neck is in a crank, Cody. You broke my neck. I don't know why I'm silent like Candy Mountain.
Because you spend all your time on the internet, Laura. Get a life. Get a boyfriend. With me.
Oh,
I'm a boy.
I'm gonna kiss your neck all day long.
I swear I'm a
Oh
boy.
my gosh. Oh my gosh, you broke my neck again. Yay. I want to make lasagna for two.
Let's make lasagna.
Alright,
For two.
Alright, let's hold hands and skip away into the sunset. Yay.
Damn.